Theo.
It's a nice face.
Whose?
Yours.
Did you wake me up just to tell me that?
I didn't wake you up. I was looking at your face when you woke up. I like it. Your face.
I married a zombie who gets up at dawn and looks into people's faces.
Well, it's your own fault. If you'd asked me, I'd have told you I was a zombie.
What's the matter? Did you forget what I look like? Well, honey, it's the same old map.
It's a new map to me. Mighty pretty country. But I don't know my way around, and I don't speak the language very good.